What's up, everybody? This is North Carolina during Hurricane Florence 2018. I hope everybody out there is staying safe. It's a little windy, but not too bad. As you can see, the road's a mess to the pine trees and all that other stuff. Hey, y'all let me know in the comments if y'all want me to later go out and see what the hurricane has done. Alright guys, that is it for this video. Let me know if y'all want me to do a continuation of this, or if y'all want me to do other stuff. Let me know in the comments. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.